What's up, everybody? So there's some more news on Bryan Kohberger, the 28-year-old that was arrested and charged with the murders of the 4 University of Idaho students. Now, this probably comes as a shock to nobody, but it seems like he's going to claim he's not guilty. Now, this story comes from TMZ.com and is linked in the description below. His lawyer is stating that he is likely to waive extradition and that his attorney says he is shocked. Bryan Kohberger seems inclined not to fight Idaho authorities wanting him in their jurisdiction ASAP, and sounds confident he'll beat the charges, according to his lawyer. Jason Labar, who is Bryan Kohberger's extradition attorney, tells TMZ his client is, for now, likely to waive his right to have his looming transportation back to Idaho heard in front of a judge, which, if holds true, would mean Kohberger will get shipped back to Idaho this coming week without any further delay, where he's expected to enter a plea. While Labar notes that Kohberger has neither denied or admitted to the charges against him, he did say his client told him he felt he would be exonerated, which obviously suggests he believes he's innocent. TMZ is told Kohberger and his parents were shocked by his arrest, telling us their home in PA was descended upon by feds very early Friday morning, where they were surrounded by law enforcement and instructed to comply, which Labar says Kohberger did without issue. Part of the reason Kohberger might want to get this over with quickly has to do with the fact he told his attorney he wasn't on the run. On the contrary, Labar says Kohberger relayed that he and his father drove a white Hyundai from Washington, where Bryan currently attends university, back to PA on December 18th, a plan they'd apparently had all along. The implication, Kohberger was neither in hiding nor fleeing as the murders occurred in mid-November. Remember though, Kohberger was with a stone's throw from the University of Idaho during this time, pursuing a graduate's degree in criminology at Washington State University. So this supposedly chill father-son road trip doesn't really clear him one way or the other. It simply explains his movements during the holiday. Of course, Kohberger has the time to change his mind on the extradition hearing, which could jam things up otherwise. Court proceedings will begin and prosecutors will have to show their cards on what exactly they have that implicates him as the murderer of the 4 Idaho University students. There have been reports saying that Kohberger has been getting surveilled for a while now, and that the feds were tracking his whereabouts these past few weeks. Also, word is that the police have DNA evidence putting him at the scene of the crime and a match on the Hyundai seen in the area that night, which they've reportedly traced to Bryan. Lots of news coming out, and I'm sure there will be lots more news coming out over the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, perhaps the next couple of months as this trial goes on. He is scheduled to appear in court on Tuesday, so we'll see what happens then. Just such a bizarre case. This guy had degrees, 28 years old, seemed very intelligent if you read other stories and see the courses he was taking in university. I wonder what changed in this person's life that made him allegedly commit these horrible, fatal stabbings back on November 13th against these 4 University of Idaho students. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments below. I hope you're having a good day, and I'll see you again soon.